Well, let's talk about the future. Where do you think it's going in the future? And we talked about this a couple weeks ago, but where do you want to use it? Where do you think it's going? How do you see implementing it moving forward? Because we're all using it, but what's next?
Anthony, you want to start first?
Well, for me personally, think the discussion's irrelevant, and maybe for us in total, in terms of what we're hearing and the noise on the street is that in order for this to be a good business for these AI companies, they've got to crack the code on some big problems. You know, in health, how does it evolve in the medical profession? It's there now. There, it's got its foot in the door. But what really is going to happen down the road? Probably a lot faster than we think in terms of helping us become a more healthy society, both in prevention and in treatment. Um, Problem solving. Um, there and I won't do this justice, but the 13% of the most difficult math questions that have never been answered have been answered by AI. What does that mean in terms of the impact on things like security and so forth? And all things are a math problem. And what does that bring to us? Does it get us to the point where where the machinery is smarter than the human? Where does it take us to the point that it won't need to be prompted? It'll just do things. So I just think it's accelerating like crazy. Everyone's trying to make money on it, which generally speaking is a good thing. And then there's the other side of this that man can be a problem, and so can AI have be used in a way to mess with our electrical grid, our transportation system, our financial system? Uh, who knows?